In this video, I have this Wyze Doorbell Pro video camera, and I will be doing an unboxing, and later in the video I will show you how I mount it on the outside of the house by the door. This is what the backs look like on the front. It have really nice packages. I have a lot of Wyze devices. I like the design and how affordable they make technology to a lot of people that would not be able to afford it. This is one of the main reasons that I like the Wyze company, and these are some of the features that come with it on the side of the backs. It comes with battery. You have the option to use the battery or wire and a bunch of other features. And let's go ahead and open the box for now, and let's see what's come in the package. First, you get a badge sticker if you pre-order any Wyze product. You get the quick start guide that label what every item are and what they can do. Now this is the chime. It looked bigger than what I thought it would be, which is really nice. It should be loud and clear when somebody press the doorbell from the outside. Next, this is the Doorbell Pro. It feel it have a decent weight to it, which is good because they use quality component in it. I'm really happy of the weight of it. When I press the button, it feels real nice. Let's put that down for now, and let's see what else is in the package. This is a USB cable to micro USB to charge the doorbell. This is really good because you don't have if you was using AA or AAA battery, you would have to replace it, but this one you can just take the doorbell out and charge it and put it back on. And it does come with a couple brackets where you can change the orientation of the doorbell so you can have a better view of your front door depending on how your front door layout is. And you also get a 3M double-sided tape if you don't want to use any screw. This is where you can charge your doorbell. Just leave that silicone up and plug it in. And this is the optional wiring that come with it in case you want to connect it straight to your existing doorbell wire, so you don't have to charge it. It will never run out of charge. And this is everything that come in the box. And they mentioned to place the chime between the doorbell and the router so you can have a better function or signal between throughout the whole thing. So that's what I did. I placed the chime between my router and the doorbell. This is the router that I use. Is a T-Mobile 5G Ethernet. I will leave a link at the top if you're interested in learning about that video. And this is where I place the chime. And the doorbell will be right outside of this door right there. The installation process was real easy. All I did is took out my previous doorbell that was outside, and then I'm gonna pre-drill one of the hole, and I'm gonna use one of the existing hole. I did not have to use the bracket that they gave me. I just use the screw straight for it, because behind this aluminum fascia there's wood behind it, so that the screw have plenty of material to grab onto. But if you don't have that much material on your front door, you probably should use the little bracket that come with it. You will have to drill a bigger hole also. And this is all I had to do. Now I'm placing the doorbell in, and one last thing you have to do is make sure you screw the bottom screw in, so nobody will be able to just take your doorbell out. I'm sure if somebody really want to steal this, they can pry it out, but this make it a little bit harder for them to just grab it easily. And this is all you had to do to install it on the outside. If you want to do the wiring process, it will take you a little longer. And I'm gonna show you what the doorbell sound like. Overall, I really like this Wyze Door Pro doorbell, and I did not show how to set it up on the Wyze app, but it is really easy, and I believe anybody should be able to do it. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. I appreciate it. And if you have a Wyze doorbell, let me know how you like it, if you like it or not, or if you have one of the other competitor, let me know which one is better and why is it better. Thank you very much. Have a good one.